along the road, I pulled over and saw another national park. This is the Petrified Forest National Park. Arizona used to be a tropical forest. It was over 200 million years ago. It's kind of like 2 for 1 here. I mean, you know, you get the petrified forest and then you get the painted desert. So all that in the background is like different colors of sediment. See all those rocks? Those aren't rocks. Those are petrified trees. I mean, there is a lot. I mean, they are all over. I mean, all over there. If you look down the little valley over there, there's a ton of them. So it's pretty cool that it's just everywhere. It's not like, oh, here's our one tree. It's literally everywhere you look. In case you're wondering how cold it is. Alrighty, it is 5 in the morning and let me show you something here. If you can read that little 2-3 down there, but that is not the degree and direction that I'm going. That is the temperature. Luckily, there is a heater.